Today, I'm going to show you how to cover or hide worksheets in an Excel workbook, which is quick and easy to achieve. When you cover a worksheet, the data contained within it is not visible. However, the data is still accessible and can be referenced from other worksheets or workbooks. If you need to view the data again, you can easily unhide the worksheet at any time. Let's take a look at how we can make a worksheet invisible. To hide or cover a sheet, go to the tab of that sheet and right-click on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Now, to hide the worksheet, click on the Hide button from the menu. The worksheets will disappear from view. As I said earlier, you can still reference any cells from this worksheet. However, the data contained within it is not visible. Now, if you want to unhide the workbook, this is just as quick to achieve. To make a previously hidden worksheet visible again, right-click on any of the tabs at the bottom of the page. A pop-up menu will appear. Now, to unhide the worksheet, click on the Unhide button from the menu. A list of hidden worksheets will appear in a pop-up box. Choose the one you want to unhide by clicking it. Then press OK. The worksheet will reappear in the list of worksheets. Have multiple sheets to hide. To hide multiple sheets at once, first press and hold the Control key. Now, select the tabs of each of the sheets you wish to hide. Then, right-click on any of the selected sheet tabs and select Hide. If you would like to know how to insert, rename, or even delete a worksheet, we have these videos linked in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.